Some places have a way of slowing you down, not because they ask you to, but because you simply don't want to rush. Every room has its own personality. Every hallway has welcomed generations of guests, and every stay becomes part of the story this house has been telling for more than 170 years. Some guests come to celebrate, some come to explore Louisville and the Kentucky Bourbon Trail. Others come looking for a quiet weekend away. Whatever brings them here, we hope they leave with a memory worth keeping. Some of the best moments happen beyond our front door, but some happen right here, on the porch, over breakfast, or with a glass of bourbon at the end of the day. Because the places we remember aren't always the places we expected. Sometimes they simply feel like home.